Hey everybody, Tanya from ShootingStarSVG, and welcome to my channel where I will teach you how to grow your business and change your life. Much like a lot of people out there, I started my journey not knowing anything about selling digital downloads, but I was very curious about the process as a physical product creator using my Cricut and Silhouette machines. I really enjoyed the graphic design aspect, and putting in the little bit of time that I had during the week while my kids were in bed, I was able to scale my business. And with that, I had found a complete joy in teaching people how to do the same. And that is where this YouTube channel started, to help people grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. And not only am I going to teach you how to sell on Etsy, but I'm also going to teach you how to expand your arsenal of semi-passive income outside of Etsy on your own website and other platforms. I also provide a plethora of graphic design tutorials in free to use and paid programs, depending on where you're at in your journey and your skill set. So I try to basically appease all audiences at any point in their journey, and I am really looking forward to having you inside of the channel and hopefully on the socials. So if you are not a part of the Facebook group yet, there is a link in the description box. And we are creating a community of like-minded individuals looking to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. We are a support community that holds each other up in the tough times of running a business, because as we all know, sometimes we just want to throw our computer screens out the window. I have a no BS, no fluff approach to teaching. I tend to get straight to the point, and my northerner in me tends to speak pretty quickly. So if you have any questions on anything, don't hesitate to ask. I am here to help you. I don't really sleep much, so if it's 2 a.m., I'll probably answer. You can reach out to me on the socials or contact me email, whatever suits your fancy. So I am here to help y'all. If there's anything you need at all, do not hesitate to reach out, and to make sure that you stay updated with all of the latest and greatest stuff on YouTube, go ahead and click on that like and subscribe button, as well as the notification bell. That way you are notified when I post new content. And as I said before, if you need anything at all, don't hesitate to reach out. I will see y'all inside of the channel.